This short video clip is to explain how the throttle correlator mechanism works in the R22. If we open and close the throttle control, you can see how the mechanism works down here. So we're opening and closing the throttle, that bell crank is operating, and there's a push rod which goes down to the bottom here, through the bulkhead to this side, and there's a bell crank down there, and you can see the rod which goes to the back which operates the throttle butterfly. So that's opening the throttle and this is closing the throttle. Okay, going back to the correlator, if we raise the collective now and you watch the throttle linkage, you can see how by raising the collective the throttle is opened, and that's how the correlator system works. The linear distance between the point at which the collective is pivoted just here and the throttle control there, the radial distance, is absolutely crucial, and we're just showing you, is absolutely crucial to the functioning of the correlator. And you can see it can be adjusted by means of shims just at the very back there. It's set at the factory and not normally adjusted. So just to recap, as we raise the collective, you can see the correlator, just the mechanism, is opening the throttle, and as you lower the collective, the mechanism is closing the throttle. As we raise and lower the collective, the throttle control is not moved at all. Finally, as we open and close the throttle, you'll see how the two throttles are linked at the back, and just here we've got the motor which is operated by the governor, which controls the throttle in the R22. Finally, at the bottom here we've got the over travel spring, which you can see down here, and the over travel spring is used to override the throttle correlator for engine off landings. So if we close the throttle, you can see the throttle mechanism is being closed, and in doing so we're compressing the spring. Sorry about the noise. We're compressing the spring, and as we raise the collective now, you'll see the movement there happens, but the throttle itself is not operated at the bottom here, thereby overriding the throttle correlator.